Hey, what's up guys, it's Laashak again in a new video. Today we are going to unbox this right here. It is basically just a LED light. It says 250 lumens. Just before getting into the unboxing, I want to say that this is not a sponsored video. I thought this would be an interesting video because it had a tripod and, well, a 250 lumen LED light. So it is a rechargeable work light with tripod. So the interesting part is that it comes with a tripod and it's USB compatible. So it goes 5-hour runtime, which is really impressive. Like, you charge it once and the whole night you can have it. I mean, the whole study period. It has a built-in tripod with a handle. So for example, if you have seen my previous video, this is a vlogger tripod and it can be used as a handle too. So something similar might be included with the box right here. So let's just take an overview. It also says that two red light settings, so the red and red flashing, and three white light settings, low, medium, high. So in emergency situations it can go flashing, so that's really a cool touch. It can go with the built-in tripod. Magnetic mounts, okay, so you can go in work and you can just hang it up. Red flashing light and adjustable built-in handle, so you can hold it like a gun going on walks. USB chargeable, so you can connect it to a power bank or your phone, which is least probable, but anyways. And you have USB charging, you charge it just like your phone. Hope it is USB type C. It is indoor and outdoor, dry conditions only. That's the only catchy part. I would have liked if it was waterproof, but you know what, it is what it is. Let's get into the unboxing. Right, now let's go ahead and open the box. First of all, we have the charger, and unfortunately it wasn't a type C. It was the old Samsung charger, I mean the Android one, so type A. And then you have the light itself. It feels really premium because of the magnetic touch, and you have a cover for the charging port. That's a good touch too, because you don't want that filled with dust. It's a premium solid build. Can be attached to your regular tripod. It has the screw mount, which is another cool touch. Basically just gives you one other extra tripod. So what we're gonna do is get out everything that's included. So you have a manual for the buttons and what all are included, and then we have the last box inside, nothing else inside. So let's put the box away, everything else away. I guess this is supposed to be the tripod, which is included with the whole setup. So as I mentioned, it is the tripod, so it's pretty functional. I mean, for a light, this is way more useful. It's also mobile, so that's a really great functionality, but holding it like that maybe not be comfortable because you see the thickness is really small, so holding in hand would not be that easy to do. But now let's go ahead and set it up with the light. Oh, it has the magnetic base, so it always goes and sticks to that. But this is how the light looks. It's really a cool setup. You can also use it for your videos, for example, low budget light setup. So there you go. And if you want to know about how it works and the testing of the light itself, watch my next video. Until then, catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.